Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW X1 boot from inside, updated. Reach the rear passenger area, then crawl toward the center and feel along the side trim for a small plastic lever or strap. Pull the lever firmly toward you while maintaining steady pressure on the latch. If the lever is obscured, fold the seat down first to improve access and visibility, then repeat the pull motion until the boot unlatches. Start by turning on the cabin light to improve visibility and reach into the rear footwell. Locate the small plastic handle or fabric strap embedded in the trim and pull it straight toward the front of the vehicle until you hear the latch click. After you hear the click, release the handle and walk to the rear, then push the boot lid up to open it fully. Practice a few times to build confidence. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful updates. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you kneel and reach behind seats, and it seals tightly so no spills while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the manual lever doesn't work, first check for active child locks or a disabled electronic release in your vehicle settings. Look closely at the latch for debris, corrosion, or ice that can prevent movement, and try lubricating the mechanism if safe to do so. If the release still fails, use the emergency interior trunk release or call roadside assistance or a certified BMW technician for safe professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.